Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting on a digital first strategy, the government of Canada's digital first strategy. We acknowledge that the territories on which UC and its campuses are situated are traditional, ancestral, and unceded territories of the Musqueam, Squamish, and the Tsleil-Waututh Nation. We thank them for having a care for this land since time immemorial, honor their graciousness to the children who seek the knowledge here, and iterate our dedication to value the ongoing contribution of indigenous people and their communities. Digital First in the Government of Canada really focused on the digital delivery, prioritizing over the paper or in-person service. Not only the government, people also prefer the digital delivery, not the paper or in-person services. They really focus on the security, accessibility, and interdepartmental collaboration. So while adopting the digital delivery, it is necessary to have a security measures and accessibility 24 by 7 services. And that services has to be interdepartmental collaboration with having effective and efficient services. And these services has to be aligned with the digital ambition 2024 to 2025, which I will be explained in the next slide. Digital ambition strategy. The government digital transformation approach is a holistic approach. They wanted to transfer the digital the services, public services, to be an online services or a modernized services. So to have that modernized services, digital ambition strategy really focused on cybersecurity issues and the data privacy issues. They also focused on the training government of workforce and also align these services with the modern citizen expectation. So why digital first matters? Many Canadians, they are now expecting to access all public service online because they want to save the time and reduce the cost. So they can avail service at home without visiting to the office, each and every office to avail every services. So this not only save the public time and money, it also save government money and improve the accessibility. It will improve the efficiency, transparency, and effectiveness of the government services. And it will also build a trust between public and government through transparency by developing services. These are the some of the digital technology example. The real digital first technology example: CRM, My Account, My Service Canada portal, and also the online passport renewal and benefit services. So before the passport services, it takes a number of days to avail such services. Now it takes a day or two avail such services because people don't have to visit physically to in the office. They can avail from home. Similarly, there is a automated employee insurance processing. It's very simple and effective. We can avail the online services to process the employment insurance. And same way, we have a chatbots and a bilingual AI tools where we can ask question to chatbot to answer the basic questions, clarify the doubts, and also we can use a bilingual AI tools where we can translate from one to another if you have some meaning which you cannot understand. So similarly now, the government to support the digital first strategy, Government is upgrading the digital infrastructures and integrating the AI tools. So governments are implementing cloud computing to store data and manage the data safely, effectively, and they are also using AI tools for data analytics and automation. So to cover up these things or to make them standardized, the government is performing some standardizing platform across the department to have a same platform. And then there are some of the challenges like digital access and digital literacy. Digital access challenges are the rural or the remote areas lack some reliable internet connection. And the digital literacy challenges are low digital literacy among some citizens. So these are the some of the challenges faced by the public. So to overcome these challenges while implementing the online services, government need to adopt some inclusivity culture or strategies and have a multilingual design in the system. So this is another challenges globally. Public were worried about the data misused or cyber attack or their information misused by scam attackers, social engineers, phishing. So to overcome this such a misuse or to overcome such challenges, government is now creating a new rules and a regulation or policies or the acts so that people will trust and use these services. And these are the some of the example of the regulation like Bill C-27, AIDA. These are the acts and the regulations and the rules used or government is creating to implement such rules and regulation in the system. So before I end the presentation, I will share some of my opinion as a conclusion. Is it a good idea to implement or to enforce digital fast strategy? I would say this is a good idea because it improves efficiency and citizen experience, but it has to be done fairly. The word fairly means it has to consider the inclusivity which I told in my previous slide. The word inclusivity can be considered by adopting or by having or establishing G2C service center. This means G2C service means government to citizenship service center in every cities. So government to citizen service center means those person like disabled person or those who have a low literacy in technologies, those who have an issue with the accessibilities, they can visit to the service center and avail the services. And it has to be 24 by 7. So now these are the references I used while I am preparing my presentation. Thank you.